Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I am so excited to make this video because a lot of you are asking me, like, you all see my stories that I put on Instagram and my little healthy meals and things like that I'll put up in my stories, and you guys are like, just make a video. And I've been putting it off because I stay so busy during the day, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to film like all day long. But that's okay, we're gonna get it done because I want to show you guys what I eat in a day. And I have changed it up a lot, and I'm getting ready to change again because I just got a new meal plan, but it shouldn't be much different than what I'm already doing because I pretty much eat healthy now. But when we get this meal plan, okay, this is from a my new meal plan is from a professional trainer and a nutritionist. So I'm kind of wanting to see, okay, what is the difference between me like doing my own research online and like I've been eating healthy for the past month. You know, like I calculated my macros online and stuff, and so I want to see, like, is it really that different? Like, have I been doing it right? I'm supposed to have the meal plan in an email tonight, so whenever we get it, we're going to look at it and we're going to compare it and see, like, do we really need to pay for a meal plan, or is it something that you can kind of do on your own, online? So yeah, I'm excited to compare that and see. First meal that we're going to be starting off with is breakfast. Now, every morning before I have my breakfast, I always have to have coffee. Like, I cannot start my day without my coffee. I can't give it up. I do not care what meal plan it is. I cannot survive without my coffee. Every other morning I try to do a green juice before I have breakfast. Disgusting. That's probably like the worst part of my meal plan and eating healthy, but it's worth it. I have seen some results from it. So yeah, we're gonna do coffee and a juice, and then we're gonna get to cooking breakfast. For breakfast, we are going to be making these protein-packed power cakes. These are buttermilk flavored pancakes. These are loaded with really good ingredients. They are actually dairy-free. I love these because you're getting a very good source of protein in these, and they're not bad for you. I love eating pancakes, and this mixture actually tastes great. Other brands that I've tried before hasn't tasted that good, so I was really excited whenever I found these. And you could top them with any kind of fruit that you want, and it makes them taste even better. I mix mine with almond milk, so that makes it a little bit more sweeter. I'm going to cut up some strawberries to put on top of this, and it's going to make it taste even better. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make some fried eggs. I will also be making some scrambled eggs, but they're not for me. I prefer my eggs fried and over easy. So yeah, we're going to be having some eggs with our pancakes. Now we are all done. We got our bacon, we got our egg, and our pancakes topped with strawberries and a little bit of syrup. And on the other plate, there is some scrambled eggs with cheese, but again, those are not for me. My eyebrows look absolutely crazy because I've not had time to fix them yet today. But besides that, I'm going to show you guys some other things that I make for breakfast whenever I'm in a hurry, okay? Because I don't always have time every morning to make eggs and pancakes and bacon. This is just the weekend, and I had time to do that for breakfast. So I'm going to show you guys some like quick on-the-go alternatives. To show you, the RX Bar company also makes these little packs of almond butter. and I love to put this on my toast, and it has 9 grams of protein in it. This one is vanilla almond butter flavored, and this one is honey cinnamon peanut butter flavored. This one has 27 peanuts in it. That's amazing. Like, come on, egg whites, 18 almonds, 27 peanuts, half a day. And see, these each have 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, and 2 dates. But these are the actual bars. And then this is the soft almond butter that I like to put on my toast. Gym right now for a workout. And oh my gosh, I have not worn makeup, like a full face of makeup, in probably 2 weeks. And I look so different. But my skin has been breaking out, so I had been trying to kind of lay low on the makeup and let my skin clear up. I need to order some more skincare products because I have completely ran out. Normally, I do not wear this much makeup to the gym, but I have to go to the movies in a couple hours, and I knew I would not have time to do my makeup before going to the movies, so I decided to put all of my makeup on. I'm probably going to sweat it all off, but hopefully after the gym I can like touch it up, you know, and it'll be okay, because I'm not doing a crazy workout today. I'm doing a little bit of cardio and a couple leg workouts, so it shouldn't be like too awful sweaty, but we will see. Anyways, on my way to the gym, I wanted to let you guys know like what kind of little snack I will have if I get hungry on the way to the gym, or before the gym, or while I'm there. So I will have these Welch's little fruit yogurt snacks. They're super yummy, and they're not bad for you. They're not a lot of calories, they're not really unhealthy, and I love them. I love sweet things. I have a really bad sweet tooth, so I love it whenever I find a snack that I can eat and feel good about it, you know, because I love candy, chocolate, oh my gosh, and that's been like the hardest thing for me with like being on a meal plan, is I crave sweet food. Just got done at the gym, just got back from working out. I filmed a little bit at the gym, but not a lot. If you guys want to see some of the workouts that I've been doing lately, then comment below and let me know. Maybe I'll make a workout video and show you all what has worked for me. So we're going to do a little after gym snack. I'm going to show you guys what I typically eat after a workout. Here we go. For the gym, I normally try to have something small, so I'm going to have a little bit of watermelon, and I am going to eat one of these RX packs right here. This has 1 egg white in it, 27 peanuts, a half a date, and no BS, and the flavor is honey cinnamon peanut butter. Really, really yummy. You can put this on toast, you can put it on English muffins or rice cakes. It's really yummy. Here I have my watermelon cut up, my nut butter, and my water right here. The almond milk here, my protein here. I have some hemp protein plus fiber here. I have my banana and my peanut butter. Oh, I gotta get some. I want to let you guys know that if you guys are making this, I will leave the recipe in the description box, but I made 2 servings, so I made this for 2. So you would like cut the ingredients in half and not use as much as I use. And don't let the green color of the drink kind of freak you out. I know it's green because it has the hemp in it, but this drink is delicious and it's packed full of really, really good nutrients that you need. Lots of protein, fiber, everything in this drink is amazing, and this drink never bloats me. It tastes really good and I love it, so I really suggest you guys giving this a try. If you like banana and peanut butter. I had the most embarrassing thing happen to me today, guys. Okay, so I went to the movies, alright, and during the movie I ate like this Oreo thing, and I come out of the movie, and you know, I smile a lot. I just smile all the time, right? And we're there for like a good 45 minutes in the movie, like after the movie, playing games and stuff. I get out to the car, go through Starbucks drive-thru, and after I go through the drive-thru, I look in the mirror and like I just smile. Oh my God, my teeth were black. I mean, they had big black chunks all over. It looks so freaking bad. Like, okay guys, now we are here to do lunch, so that is what we will be making next. So whenever it comes to healthy eating, I try to cook the simplest ways possible, okay? Because it can still be easy to cook and be healthy. So, what I like to buy for rice, whenever I'm having rice with a meal, is this. Boil in a bag brown rice here, and brown rice has less carbs in it than the white rice, so if you want more carbs, get the white rice. If you want less carbs, like I do, get the brown rice. You literally put this in a bowl of water, pop it in your microwave for 10 minutes, and it comes out great. And then bam, you got some rice to add with your meal. It's finally time for a snack. Yes, I have to snack during the day. I'm a big like potato chip lover. I love Oreos, cookies, things like that. But I've been trying to be more healthier with my snacks here lately. Yeah, so that's what's next. For our snack, we are making a yogurt granola bowl, but we're using dairy-free yogurt alternative, which I love. I will leave the recipe and all the ingredients in the description box down below. This is delicious. So it is like 6 o'clock and I'm going to start making dinner. For dinner I'm going to be making like a sausage rice bowl. So yeah, it's super simple and easy, and it's really good. I love making it. Okay, so I got some frozen broccoli and some cauliflower and fajita mix, baby carrots, and skinless sausage. And I've already started cutting my carrots, and I took some of this extra virgin olive oil and put it in the skillet so it is heating up, and I'm going to cut everything up and put it in this plate. I got my meal plan, okay, and just really quickly before I end the video, I'm going to make a full video about this, but I wanted to say, wow, the meal plan is a lot different than like what I've been eating. I mean, it's kind of like the same foods, it's just like the meal plan says that I need to drink a lot more water. I need to drink a whole bottle of water before each meal. And I need to be eating every 2.5 to 3 hours. And right now I only eat like 3 meals a day and like 1 snack, sometimes 2 snacks. So yeah, like I'm supposed to be eating 6 meals altogether. Yeah, and it's a lot more strict, like, you know, and the protein's more balanced, the carbs are more balanced, things like that. But what I really want to see is what difference does it make. Okay, so this is a 6-week meal plan. I'm gonna do it for 3 weeks. I'm gonna film it, and I'm gonna see, like, at the end of 3 weeks, what if I have any different results, you know, from the results that I've been getting from what I've been doing. And then at 6 weeks I'm going to do like another update, and we're going to see like what changes has it made. Another thing is this meal plan does not have any cheat days, any cheat meals, anything like that. And personally, like what I've been doing for the past few months is I've been letting myself have a cheat day like once a week, and I've been like kind of intuitively eating. Not a lot though, like I've been cutting out processed foods and things like that, but at the same time, if I have like a strong craving for like potato chips, then I will let myself have like a few potato chips, you know, because I feel like if you deny yourself foods, then you're gonna like want them more and more and more, and there's no point in like being miserable. You know, so I feel like it's all up to you and what you want to do and what you can handle whenever it comes to dieting and being on it. I personally think as long as you're eating things like in moderation, you know, like you're not eating a whole 12 pack of donuts or anything like that, then I think it's fine, you know. Like, I haven't had a donut in like weeks, and this morning I ate a chocolate covered donut, so I feel like that's okay, you know. But again, everyone's different, and it's all just whatever you want. Personally, I have been trying to cut out dairy. I've been trying to cut out gluten and have a lot less bread in my diet, because those things have really been bloating me and kind of making my stomach swell. And that's like my main goal, is I'm trying to keep my stomach like more flatter and just be overall more healthy. Because even though I know I'm a smaller person, my stomach bloats really bad sometimes, and it'll make me look like I'm 7 months pregnant, and I don't like that. So that is what made me start this whole journey. Everybody's different, and everybody's bodies are different. So what I may eat may be different from what you all would eat, and our calories and macros will probably be different. So just be sure that you do your research. I hope this video helped you all in some way and gave you all some new like food ideas and things like that. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.